Hi, everyone. Really happy to finally launch and share NoteMasterMD with you. It's perfect for surgeons and proceduralists who want more efficient operative notes, spend more time in the OR, less time worrying about documentation trails, and generally help inform people about the actual procedures they're performing. So the idea is that with support of AI and a deterministic template, you can create templates that optimize your workflow. So let's start by jumping right in and creating our first one together. Let's go with a laparoscopic appendectomy, which is the bread and butter of any proceduralist. And as we're waiting here, and the wait might be between 15 to 30 seconds, it's going through the entire ICD-10 handbook and then all of the 2026 CPT AMA book. So you're getting the exact documentation and language required to support the procedure you're doing. Okay, perfect. Laparoscopic appendectomy. So as you can see here, it's created a fully functional operative note with indications of consent, operative setup, pre-op and post-op diagnosis, intraoperative findings, and also the final procedures, laparoscopic appendectomy. Perfect, exactly what we asked for. And what you can see here is that everything is editable. So you want to go here and add one more function for endometriosis. Great, we can add that. You potentially don't like the CPT code associated with it. You can come in here and change it. I'll just show one for an example, an unlisted anesthesia code. And if you want to add something in manually as well, you can go in here, click, and then choose the type of section you'd like to add. But typically, you don't just do one procedure, right? You might do lysis of adhesion. So let's add in a lysis of adhesions procedure. Wonderful. Excellent. Laparoscopic lysis of adhesions. Here you go. You have it completely speaking with the other procedure. It's in a functional order. So now when you go in and open it to actually create a note, you can see everything present there. And you have the option to either show or not show CPT codes depending on the type of report you'd like to present. But let's save the template and use it. Great, template saved. Let's go for it. Larry, let's test with you, Larry. So we can go in, click everything very efficiently, have an operative setup, click procedures. And this way, when you're doing it, it's actually much faster than going through smart notes or any type of Word document you might have for the actual procedures. And of course, when you have a complex procedure, it's different for everybody. So there's actually space for you to have edits. And luckily, we don't let people save a note unless they actually fill the required information, because I've seen too many op notes where people don't actually change the required language. And just for simplicity here, I'll delete this, add in a simple example here. And now you can see it's green, and we can save the note. That's excellent. And another feature I want to talk about, which is really important, is that audit trail of notes. I know typically after surgery, you might want to do a note really quickly. You're not fully detailed about what you did. You can actually go in here, edit. First of all, you can read an old note, and then you can edit a note directly. So we can edit a version. We saw here that we forgot to put this post-op diagnosis. So now when we add it in here, we have it saved in a newer version. And of course, this is a text editor. So if you want to go in here and add something regarding also XYZ procedure, it's going to save. So the whole point is to have an efficient workflow, one and done for proceduralists and surgeons, and make everyone's life a lot easier. And of course, save the note, go back, and you can read it, of course. So really happy to have shown you, and I'm excited to get you onboarded.